What's the meaning of a dance to the music of time? A dance to the music of time. 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 A Dance to the Music of Time is a 12-volume novel series written by Anthony Powell. The title refers to a painting by Nicholas Poussin that depicts the cyclical nature of human life and history. The novel examines the lives of various characters from different social classes over a period of 50 years, from the 1920s to the 1970s, and explores themes such as power, ambition, love, and friendship. The series is known for its intricate plotting, complex characters, and dry wit, and is considered one of the greatest works of English literature in the 20th century.